To all my dear ALPians, wish you the very best with CLAT 22. I think the next 24 hours, just relax. Do not worry a lot. And I want you all to go through the 10 things to do, do's and don'ts for the 3-day session that I have done. And I wish you once again all the very best from me, Sirisha ma'am, Padma ma'am, and everyone in the ALP team. All the very best, guys.
The D-Day has finally come, guys. Stay calm, stay focused, give your best shot and don't worry about the results. Success will automatically come to you. All the best, guys.
Finally, the most weighted D-Day is in front of you. Don't be nervous, believe in yourself, keep calm, do well. All the best.
Best of luck for your entrance tomorrow. Don't worry about the result. Remember, you're the best. All the best for your test.
Team Abhyaas wishes you all the best.
All the very best for CLAT 2022. Wish you good luck. Do well. Rock.
Hello students, I think you all know me. It's time to bid farewell and all the best for your CLAT exam, and wherever you are, make us proud.
Hello guys, I hope all of you are doing well. I had a lot of fun being your teacher and mentor, and I wish you all the best for your CLAT exam.
Dear students, all the best for the CLAT examination. I wish you all the success from the bottom of my heart. Do well, good luck.
All the best, guys. Do well. Do not get tensed. I think Abhyaas has trained you enough. So keep calm and rock the exam.
To everyone who's writing a CLAT exam, all the best.
Hello everyone. I hope you are preparing well and do not take stress. Do your best. All the best for your exam.
Hi students, hope you guys are doing good. So the day CLAT exam is came, so don't panic and don't get tense. Give your best and be the best. All the very best.
సో మనం వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నటువంటి టైం ఆల్రెడీ వచ్చింది. ఈ టైంని మనం ఎలా ఇప్పటివరకు మనం ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యాము, బట్ ఈ టైంలో ఎలా ప్రజెంట్ చేస్తున్నామని చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాబట్టి టెన్షన్ ఏం పడాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు నాన్న. సో మీరు ఏం నేర్చుకున్నారో దానికి తగ్గట్టుగా మీరు ఇక్కడ ప్రజెంట్ చేయండి. విష్ యూ ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్ రా.
Hi students, firstly all the best for your examinations. It's a time for only for be cool and give your best. Once again, all the best.
We wish you all the best for CLAT 2022 from Team Bond Circle.